Hello everyone. In last video, we have seen that the fundamentals of PHP. Now we are going to see about how PHP is working. PHP is a server-side programming. It provides website developers to utilize resources on the web server. Non-public resources do not require direct access from the client. Most server-side programming script is embedded within markup. PHP Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a programming language that is interpreted and executed on the server. Execution is done before delivering content to the client. Contains a vast library of functionality that programmer can harness. Static resources such as a regular HTML are simply output to the client from the server. Dynamic resources such as PHP scripts are processed on the server prior to being output to the client. PHP has the capability of connecting to many database systems, making the entire process transparent to the client. This is the example of static resources. User will give request to the web server. It will give web page request. Web server gives the HTML response. Using PHP, user will give the web page request. That request loads PHP file. It will go to the PHP engine. It will process and then it will give the result to the web server. PHP results to the web server. After that, web server will respond to the user. This is the working of PHP. Now we are going to see about PHP language basics. Here are the building blocks of the PHP language. First one is syntax and structure, variables, constants and operators, data types and conversions, decision making, etc. Already we saw that in previous video the fundamental PHP program. Now we are going to see about variables. Variables are nothing but it is used to store the values. In PHP, variables are prefixed with a $sign. Example, A is a variable. It prefixed with $sign. You can assign a value 10. Here, you don't need to define the type, whether it is character or integer or float or whatever it is. Here, the variable names are case sensitive. It will treat uppercase and lowercase different. First one is lowercase author and second one is uppercase author with $sign. Both are different. Thank you.